Let's learn about the United States of America. Facts about Arkansas. Its nickname is the Natural State. It became a state in 1836. It's the 25th state. The capital is Little Rock, which is also its biggest city. Their state bird is the mockingbird. Their state flower is the apple blossom. Its location is in the south-central portion of the United States. It covers 53,179 square miles. Their state tree is the pine tree. Their state insect is the honeybee. The 42nd President of the USA was born here. His name is Bill Clinton. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.